We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can enable the custom video encryption for this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera. So first you will need to open the ieGeek Cam app, or launch it rather. Then open the camera settings. Next go for the video encryption. Here switch on the device encryption option. Then set your custom password for your, well, personal encryption or customized encryption, whatever. Then confirm. The password has to be 8 to 16 digits long, including 2 types of numbers, upper or lowercase letters, and characters at least. Alrighty, let me set a password that will match. That will match those requirements. So this password should do. Tap confirm, and that will be it. Now your videos are encrypted with your own personal password, which you can reset here, thus change it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.